Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Wednesday, August 20th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about mailbox money and how you can build residual wealth with QuickSilver and why I think it's just an awesome opportunity. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. Been working for myself full-time since 2018. And it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So, residual income, okay? This is something where you go out and you do one time and your efforts continue to pay you, all right? So if I go and bring somebody into QuickSilver and they stay a customer or a wealth ambassador, I'm going to continue to make money from them month after month. All right, that's residual wealth. That's residual income. That's what you want to do. You want to have something where you go out there and your efforts pay for itself without you having to continuously do the work. All right, and I'm not saying that it doesn't take work. You still have to share your opportunity. But once you have a customer, once you have a wealth ambassador, then, you know, the retention rate is awesome in this opportunity. I've brought in dozens of people already, and I've had only 4 people stop the business. All right? So the retention rate is incredible. All right? Very, very low attrition rate in this opportunity because people see the value in it, and they know that they're getting a real asset, a real tangible asset in the mail every single month. Okay? So there's no other opportunity that I'm aware of where you're getting a tangible asset delivered to your doorstep every single month and have the opportunity to go and earn affiliate commissions by referring other people to the business, to the opportunity. And again, you can refer just customers. They don't even have to partake in the business opportunity if they don't want to. Right? You're still gonna make money on your customers. Whenever they make a purchase, you're gonna get a commission from that. Folks, this is a no-brainer. All right? I've been doing this for 19 years now. And I feel foolish for not doing this sooner. I've been involved with the company for a little while now, but I never really shared it hard. But I finally had the wake-up call, which I don't know why it took me so long. I was just kind of stacking silver, you know, which I've been doing that for a long time. Like I said in other videos, my father was an avid coin collector. And when he passed away, he left me his coin collection. And I just continued, you know, buying silver coins every month. But I was buying it from other companies that didn't have an affiliate program. And I really wasn't sharing it with other people. You know, I was just doing it behind the scenes to help build my investment portfolio. And then I joined QuickSilver because one of my marketing friends shared it with me, and I was like, wow, this is pretty cool. And then I never really put much effort into sharing the opportunity. I was just kind of, you know, silver stacking, like I said, behind the scenes. And I feel foolish for not sharing it with everybody sooner or doing more videos about it more regularly because it's such an awesome opportunity. You're building your wealth in 2 ways. You're building from getting the silver and gold in the mail every month, and then you're building it with your team growth, right? When your team grows, your income's going to grow. So you're I don't know of any other opportunity that's like that. You know, if you're getting supplements in the mail or things like that, you know, that's awesome. But you're really only making money when you're bringing people into the opportunity, right? This, you're building wealth both ways. You're building wealth on autopilot just by simply having your auto shipment set up every month to whatever you want. I mean, you can have a fraction of a piece of silver or gold all the way up to, you know, 10 plus coins delivered to your doorstep every single month. It's totally up to you. So I love that aspect about it. And I love the fact that you're getting something physical that you can hold on to and put away in your safe, and something that holds its value and is only going to continue to go up in value over time. You know, like I talk about, the government devalues our money all the time by reprinting more and more money that's backed by absolutely nothing. You know, the purchasing power, the dollar bill's lost 96% of its purchasing power since 1913. And is backed by absolutely nothing. So the government just prints and prints and prints, and that devalues our dollar. And next year at this time, what you can buy for $1 today, you're not going to be able to buy for $1 next year. You know? So I love having silver and gold. I mean, I talk about gold, but I mean, you know, you basically buy whatever you want to. And I love knowing that I have something physical that holds value, that's going to continue to go up in value over time, and that can be used to barter with if the monetary system ever collapses. Or, you know, like I said, I think at some point you're going to see people, it's going to be like more regular, something like Bitcoin now, where people can go and buy a car with Bitcoin, right? You can buy a Ferrari now with Bitcoin. I think you're going to see that you're going to be able to buy cars and maybe homes and stuff like that in the future using precious metals. That's just my opinion. I'm not an expert in the gold and silver department at all. All right. I'm just learning about all this stuff as, you know, as I go, as I get more involved with the QuickSilver opportunity. But I don't think there's a better opportunity, right? I mean, and plus you're doing the work once, so you're sharing something, you're sharing the opportunity every single day. All right. Like this, these are all letters going out in the mailbox today. And each one of these has information about QuickSilver and getting a free bar of silver just for checking out the opportunity. So every day I'm doing a income producing activity, and you just do that work once throughout the day, and you're going to start seeing results. All right. I get leads and signups from this all the time now. All right. In fact, I just got another sign up. I ranked up again. And it's because I'm staying consistent. I'm showing up every day and taking action and putting in the work. So if you do income producing activities every day and share this opportunity, people who have, you know, people can see the value of this opportunity. It's not like you're joining some, you know, a program, and I'm not putting down any other programs. I'm involved in all kinds of different programs. All right. I have the products, I have, you know, savings programs, I have postcard programs. I love all of them. But this is my number one opportunity now. And it's because, and I don't know why I haven't done it sooner. I don't know why I didn't pay more attention to this sooner and do more videos about it sooner. But that's okay, because now moving forward, you're going to hear me talk about it all the time. Because it's just such a great opportunity. There's no other opportunity where you can, regardless of if you refer somebody to the opportunity or not, you're still getting value back every single month by collecting silver and gold. And to me, it's a no-brainer. It's just an absolute no-brainer. And the cool thing is that this, you don't even have to be involved in network marketing. You don't even have to want to have your own work from home business. All right. I have people join me as customers in this all the time. They just go, they join as a preferred customer. It's free. You get membership pricing. They set up an auto shipment, and they get whatever they, you know, sign up for delivered to them on autopilot. And I make commissions every single month or every time they make a purchase. Right? And then if you really want to step it up and you're really into working from home, or you're really into having your own side hustle, or at some point, you know, quitting the 9-to-5 job and building a business that pays you, then you can become a wealth ambassador. You get the membership pricing, You get a wealth platform, and you have the ability to share this opportunity like I do and make commissions off of people who sign up under you. All while getting your silver and/or gold in the mail every single month. It's just a no-brainer. It's just a no-brainer. This is real mailbox money. All right? We could, the paper money is nice to come in the mailbox. But again, it's backed by absolutely nothing. It's backed by nothing. They took it off the gold standard. Right? It's backed by nothing. In fact, the dollar bill is worth less than the paper that is printed on. And it just keeps devaluing. So this is real mailbox money. And you can build real residual wealth with QuickSilver. Now, I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with this opportunity. It's totally dependent on your work ethic. But this appeals to everybody. All right, it's a global opportunity. You don't have to live just in the United States. There's a whole handful of countries that you can partake in this opportunity. And again, you're getting something that holds value. It's going to continue to go up in value, and it's a real physical product. I love that. I love that about this. So, it appeals to everybody, right? And it's never going to be saturated. It'll never become saturated, this opportunity, because most people join and they never take any action in any program. So if you're a real action taker, this is something that you want to look into. And you can get a free piece of silver by just checking out the opportunity. You pay a small shipping and handling fee. It's less than $3 if you live in the United States. Less than $3 to have a free silver bar shipped to you. Just for checking out the opportunity. And I'll leave a link down below. You can go to silverstackingempire.com. silverstackingempire.com. But if you want to build a team, or if you want to, have a side hustle where you can make additional income, join my team, right? My team is growing like crazy. All right? And I'm just going to keep putting people under people that join me in this. And it doesn't matter if you're a preferred customer or a wealth ambassador. But I don't want you to come in relying on spillover either. I want people that are action takers. I want people to go in, sign up, become a wealth ambassador, take an hour every single day to build your business, to go out there and do income producing activities. It doesn't matter if you're posting a video like I do, if you're creating content on social media, if you're mailing out letters like I do, right? It doesn't matter. Do something to help build your business. Most people join and they think money's going to fall out of the sky into their lap magically. And that's not how it works. All right? But when you join me, you'll get my resource page, you'll get my letter template, you get my contact information, and I'm here to help those who want to help themselves out. Okay? I don't want to work with tire kickers or people who are just, going to half-ass everything. All right? I can't stand it. I've been doing this too long. I can't stand it. All right? I'm just being upfront and honest with you. So if you're one of those people that jump from program to program to program every single week like I used to do, then, I'm not the person to work with. I want people who are real action takers, people who see the value in this opportunity, people who are going to join and take action. All right? I love action takers. So, you can build real mailbox money and residual wealth with QuickSilver if you're willing to show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent. All right? That's the keys. So I'm rambling on long enough here. I notice I'm going on 15 minutes. I don't like really going over 10 minutes, but I'm super excited about QuickSilver. I love this platform. It's a great opportunity. It's very affordable for everybody. You can get your wealth platform for $9.97 a month, and then you set up an auto shipment for you can go as low as under $10 a month. I think $8.97 is our lowest package a month. We do have a marketing system. You get a free 7-day trial that has capture pages and autoresponder built into it. It has everything you need. All right. You can even broadcast emails to your leads. It's just an awesome system. You get a free trial for 7 days, and that's $7.77 a month afterwards. All right. So you can run this entire business with the marketing system, the wealth platform, and your auto shipment for under $30 a month, and build your wealth in investments on one side, and then earn additional income by building a team. All right, or sharing it with other people. So it's an awesome opportunity. Go to silverstackingempire.com. Again, I'll leave a link down below this video. Reach out to me if you have any questions about this. I'm here to help you out. And if you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And feel free to share this with somebody that you know who might be interested in this opportunity. You might not be interested, but you might know somebody who would be interested. So feel free to share it. I appreciate that. And I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you all have a great rest of your day wherever you are. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.